Mind-blowing power in a 9-inch beast. The RedMagic Astra is here to shake up gaming tablets, promising to outshine even the iPad mini at the same price. But can this compact powerhouse really deliver the ultimate gaming experience? I spent 24 hours with it, gaming, streaming, and testing every nook and cranny. Let's find out if this is a game changer or just another tablet trying too hard. Alright, so the RedMagic Astra is a 9-inch gaming tablet that's got me curious. A couple of years ago, small tablets were basically extinct. Smartphones were creeping into 7-inch territory, and 10-inch plus slates took over. But RedMagic's like, hold up, we're bringing compact back with a gaming twist. At around $500, it's priced to compete with the iPad mini. So, is there still a place for a 9-inch gaming tablet? Let's dive into the design, display, performance, and more to find out. First up, the design. This thing looks cool. I got the black version, and let me tell you, the matte black aluminum unibody feels premium, like I'm holding a spaceship premium. There's this transparent glass strip on the back showing off the RGB fan, the RedMagic logo, and some faux schematics of the internals, like the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and vapor chamber cooling. It's giving serious gamer vibes without being too in your face. You got a recessed power button on the left, a volume rocker up top, and this red slider called the Magic Key. Flip it, and boom, you're in game space mode. 2 stereo speakers on both sides, a USB-C port, and a 4.9mm bezel that's slim but not jaw-dropping for a 9-incher. My only gripe? The box is a bit stingy. Just a tablet, a USB-C cable, and some stickers. No charger, no case. RedMagic, come on, for a gaming tablet? I expected a bit more swagger in the unboxing. Now the display, this is where the Astra flexes. It's rocking a 9.06-inch OLED panel with a 165Hz refresh rate for gaming and a peak brightness of 1600 nits. That's not just bright. It's blindingly bright for a tablet this size. The resolution is 2.5K, which works out to about 312 ppi. Super sharp for a 9-incher. RedMagic claims 100% DCI, P3 color coverage, and a color accuracy of Delta 1. I ran some tests, and while I got a Delta of 1.34, that's still impressive for a gaming device. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and gaming at 165Hz? Silky smooth. Only downside? The minimum brightness is a tad high, so late night gaming might need some ambient light to avoid eye strain. Still, this screen is a total win. Way better than the LCD panels you'll find on budget tablets. Alright, let's talk performance, because this is where the Astra goes beast mode. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite with an Adreno 830 GPU clocked at 1100 MHz. Same graphics power as a RedMagic 10S Pro's leading version. I ran benchmarks, and this thing obliterates the competition. It outscores most tablets, with only the iPad mini keeping up in single-core tasks. Graphics? Untouchable. The active cooling system with a 20,000 RPM fan and Liquid Metal 2.0 keeps it from throttling, even during marathon sessions. I fired up Genshin Impact at max settings in 165Hz, and it ran like a dream. No lag, no frame drops. The tablet got warm, and the fan was audible but not annoying. You got 3 memory options: 12GB RAM with 256GB storage, 16GB with 512GB, or a ridiculous 24GB with 1TB. That last one's overkill, but hey, future-proof much? My only complaint? No capacitive shoulder buttons like on the RedMagic 10S Pro. For a gaming tablet, that's a miss. The Astra runs Android 15 with RedMagic OS 10.5, clean, minimal bloat, and a sprinkle of AI for translations and app suggestions. But the real star is game space, activated by that RedMagic key. It's like a gaming command center. You can tweak CPU and GPU modes, add crosshairs, set quick presets, or even connect a mouse and keyboard. It's super intuitive. Whether you're a preset picker or a tweak nerd, you're covered. I played Genshin Impact for hours, maxed out, and it was flawless. The 165Hz display and powerful chip made every move buttery smooth. The fan kicked in, but it wasn't a deal breaker. This tablet is built for gamers who want big screen precision without lugging around a 12-inch slab. Audio? 2 stereo speakers are loud and punchy with DTS X Ultra support. They're great for gaming or blasting music. No 3.5mm jack though, so you'll need Bluetooth headphones for private sessions. Kind of a bummer for public gaming. The haptic motor though, chef's kiss. It's strong, precise, and adds that extra immersion when you're deep in a game. You feel every explosion, every hit. Solid stuff. The 8,200 mAh battery sounds beefy for a 9-incher, and it's decent but not amazing. RedMagic claims 5.5 hours of gaming in Honkai. Star Rail, I got about 5 hours and 10 minutes in Genshin Impact at max settings. Video streaming and browsing? Meh. It lags behind non-gaming tablets. Performance comes at a cost. Folks, charging is quick, though 0 to full in about 72 minutes with fast charging. No wireless charging, which isn't a shock, but still a miss. Cameras on gaming tablets are usually an afterthought, and the Astra's no exception. You get a 13 megapixel rear camera and a 9 megapixel front one. They're fine. AI processing helps, but don't expect miracles. The 2x digital zoom is okay. 5x gets noisy fast. If you're snapping quick pics or video calling, it's serviceable. But this isn't your vlogging device. Let's talk value. The RedMagic Astra retails for around $499 in the US, or 499 euros in Europe, matching the iPad mini's price. Based on my data, you can snag it for as low as $459 on sites like AliExpress or RedMagic's official store during sales. Compare that to the iPad mini, which rarely dips below $499, and the Astra's a steal for gamers. You're getting a 165Hz OLED Snapdragon 8 Elite and gaming-focused software for the same price as Apple's more general-purpose tablet. If gaming's your thing, the Astra's affordability shines. So, is the RedMagic Astra worth it? If you're a mobile gamer craving a compact tablet with stellar display and raw power, this is a no-brainer. The 165Hz OLED Snapdragon 8 Elite and Game Space mode make it a gaming beast. But the short battery life, no shoulder buttons, and bare-bones retail box might make you pause. Compared to the iPad mini, it's a better pick for gamers but less versatile for everyday tasks. For $459 to $499, it's a solid deal, but if you want a do-it-all tablet, you might look elsewhere. What do you think? Would you grab the Astra for gaming on the go? Drop your thoughts below, and I'll catch you in the next one.